What are the challenges people in the modern world facing? Is it anxiety, sleeplessness, digestion problem, and decision making problem? So these are the things that modern era people are facing. So how can we overcome these problems or these challenges? In order to bring yourself in the present moment, the important thing is yoga.
However, in February 2024, I met with a bike accident, post which I have not been doing it. To rejuvenate and start my yoga, I thought I'll take this retreat, and it's a 5 days whole retreat in Kollam.
And most of the people thinks that yoga is only an exercise, but I would say it can make lot of things in your mind, or changes in your mind also. It can bring you in the present moment.
Abhi happens to have that power where he's stepping into your personal potential.
He know how to improve his mental stress, and also how to overcome the mental stress, and how to improve the body health. He is healing all things.
There is no limit for the age to do yoga. They can go up to 100 also.
After coming here, I just realized how simple the process can be, because our master, Mr. Abhilash, has made it so simple for us.
If it wasn't for this special magical feeling, there definitely would have been a word to describe the situation.